Hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and today we're going to talk about the stem cell ankle treatment. So we've been offering mesenchymal stem cell treatments for over 8 years, and they have worked so well for joint pain. And in this case, you're going to see actually my stepdad Blake. He plays pickleball almost daily, tennis, golf. I mean, he's so active, and he hurt his ankle. So the Achilles tendon was injured. This is probably the most common ankle issue that we see. We do see a lot of arthritis, different issues, and it's a really simple injection, as you'll see here. So we go into the ankle, in his case, one shot to the ankle, one to the Achilles tendon, all ultrasound guided, and the stem cells will guide the repair. They're going to help reduce inflammation. They're going because that's what they're attracted to. And then they start sending out signals. They're like the manager on a construction site telling everyone what to do, where to go, how to heal. So they can heal tendons, they can heal ligaments, they can heal cartilage, they can heal, muscles, any of these damaged tissues in that area, as long as there's not a complete tear and there aren't a ton of osteophytes, which are no bone growth, almost always can help those things. And it's usually a one and done treatment. And look, sometimes people have a ton of damage, like end stage arthritis. That might take more than one treatment, but very, very high success rate. It's worked really well. We've helped people from just, your country club heroes like Blake to professional bodybuilders heal Achilles, tendon issues and ankle injuries. Blake also had some neuropathy in his feet, so we did the top of his foot, as you'll see here, and that's where the root of the nerves is. So we're hoping that'll fix his nerve pain. They did that for my grandma a few years ago and fixed that. We've done it for a lot of patients, especially like diabetics tend to have that issue. You inject the foot and fixes nerve pain. So if you want to learn more about how we do the ankle treatment here at Dream Body Clinic, go to www.dreambody.clinic. Call us toll free with any questions at 888-704-3977. I'm Josh, happy to help.